I'm downtown Boise neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker. On Wednesday night, dozens of healthcare workers and patients laid down in Cecil D. Andrus Park, staging a die-in near the Idaho state capitol. They're protesting a federal tax bill they say will strip health coverage from tens of thousands of Idahoans.
About 70 people laid still, representing Idahoans they say could die each year without access to health care. Protesters argue 67,000 people may lose coverage because of cuts to Medicaid and ACA tax credits.
This is truly such an important issue, and most of my patients are on Medicaid or rely on the ACA subsidies to get their health insurance. And I see every day the effects of having health insurance.
Family medicine physician Angela Bang says without coverage, life-saving care could be out of reach for too many.
These are families who will have to choose between stable housing, food, basic necessities, and their life-saving medications. Ultimately will lead to worse patient outcomes, and people will die as a result of this.
Organizer Alice Nelson says the impact hits hard in her own household.
I get health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, and without the tax credits, we can't afford to get insurance. As a matter of fact, the JEC has predicted that 68,000 Idahoans will be without health insurance, which will result in 80 unnecessary deaths per year.
She says the demonstration is meant to deliver the message directly to elected officials.
We'll hopefully get the attention of our representatives in D.C. and that maybe they could come to some sort of agreement that they would at least extend the tax breaks for a year or so and not gut Medicaid. That's also something that's going to affect a lot of Idahoans here.
Organizers say they plan to hold more events and are urging anyone affected by the cuts to call their members of Congress. I'm downtown Boise neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker, Idaho News 6.